Swarali and welcome to my Q&A video. I'm really nervous about this one because it's my first ever making a long form speaking video and especially Q&A. Really sorry about that reflection of ring light in my specs, but I can't help it. It's right there now. I can't do anything, and sorry for this low quality setup. I don't have any fancy setup now. Deal what I have to deal what I have with what I have. In total, I have 83 questions. I can't answer all of those, but I will try my best to answer the ones which are mostly asked, and I will try to answer everyone. I will try my best. So the first question, which is the most asked question, that in which grade are you? I'm in 9th grade and I will soon turn 15 now in March. Okay, so the next question is also a very common question that I get. That is, how do you manage content creation and studies together? I do the scripting and all maybe in school or at the night when I'm journaling, or else that's the thing. Means the scripting is done in that time. That time the scripting is done. So next I have to do is just make video about it, and editing takes hardly 1 or half an hour for me to do. So it's okay. Not, if you want to ever make content creation, don't get overwhelmed by, oh my god, I have the studies, oh my god, I have to also manage that. Next question is your dreams. Tell about your dream life, or what is your favorite country? So there are 3 questions in one question. First, what is your dream? My dream is, I haven't found my career dream yet. I'm still on the way of finding my career dream, but I'll figure out it very soon. So I don't have any dream of my career which you are asking. Tell about your dream life. My dream life is earning good money, which is really simple and bland. Earning good money, having a house of my own money, having cats in my house because obviously, and doing what I love. So the next question is, what are the goals that you set? I'll get it like that. Just writing down mostly the goals, long-term goals or short-term goals, whatever it is. Maybe writing down and working hard for it. There are no specific. My goal was to hit 500k, 500. Oh my god, 500 subs on YouTube, which I have recently completed. And my goal was it is increasing slowly now. My goal is to get 9k on Insta. Next day will be 10k. So that's how my goals are going, and I'm trying my best to pursue it. If you talk about my academic goal, it is maybe good marks in maths. Good means for me, it's good is like average, because I'm below average in maths. Maths and science, getting good marks in maths and science, and I'm trying my best. I think so. From my side, it's full, I'm giving my best for it, but I don't know what next will be. Next question is, hey, I also am in 9th standard and I'm confused how to study for good grades. If you have any tip or advice. If I'm not an academic scholar, how can I give you that advice or tips? Because myself, I'm figuring it out. So when I'll figure it out and I'll get good grades, that's the time when I'll answer you. Okay? Hang in there, but I can give you motivation. Hang in there and keep trying your best. Keep fighting. So the next question is, how do you motivate yourself when your followers are not increasing? This is a really good question, and I think maybe I have, if you can see here, all the quotes and all. I have a vision board I have. And here also some quotes are there, like you got this, work hard and all. So I just keep grinding. Let the followers be aside for a while. Let the followers be aside. This is what I love. I love spending my time in front of the camera speaking. I love content creation. I love these things, and sometimes I just forget that let the followers be aside sometimes. This is what I love, and I'll never give up on it. I motivate myself by this quote right there. It's written, I feel like I'm made to be famous. And if I just sit right there कि नहीं यार followers नहीं बढ़ रहे, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से, and I will have this type of attitude, then I will give up on my content creation. I do it because I love it. If you love content creation, if you love speaking in front, being in front of the camera, or even creating whatever content you want, forget about the followers then. If you are choosing the right thing, if you love what you are doing, followers will automatically come. Or even if they don't come, don't bother about it. The next question is, what are you pursuing? What I want to pursue in my life, I'm not sure about it. Currently, I'm doing what I love and creating content, but I'm not sure. The next question is, why are my followers not increasing? I want to be like you, but now my confidence is breaking. It wasn't a question, it was something that that person is telling me. If your followers are not increasing, but you are really loving to do what you are doing right now, I'm not sure about what your profile looks like. But if you are making something like I'm making videos about inspiring others, I love doing that. Then I don't say about followers, which I said in previous. No, I'm not a person you want to be like. I'm in 9th grade right now. I haven't done anything that you want to be like me. My confidence, you think you are looking good, you are looking good. Forget what others says. That's what confidence is right there. Don't let others' opinion crush you. Do what you love. Definitely do what you love. Next question is, I want to become a content creator like you. Can you please suggest me how to begin it, the first step? Don't seek for perfection in the first video only. Definitely try your best. I'm not saying don't try your best. Try your best, but don't seek for perfection. Don't compare yourself to others. And just take the camera. If you are, suppose you want to say something, upload it. See if, and do introspect your video also. Okay? Do it. I'm with you. Next question is, how do you get rid of dark circles? Do I have dark circles? I have never got dark circles. I'm just 14. Okay, I don't have dark circles. I don't have issues like dark circles right now. So I don't know what to do when you have dark circles. The next question is, which is asked which is also a question that have been asked for me for 4 to 5 times, which is, how do you style yourself or design your dresses? I think what I'm comfortable in, I'll go with that. I have a dusky and a little dark skin color. I have a tan skin, so I'll see what color suits on my skin. मेरी स्किन एकदम ऐसे डल नहीं लगनी चाहिए, एकदम ब्राइट भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए. I'll take subtle colors, and maybe with my body type I go with my body type and what kind of dresses suits me, and I'm feeling comfortable in it. I style myself that way. Mostly I prefer dresses over jeans and all. And the next question is, do you believe in friendships? That's really tricky for me to answer, but I have lost many friendships. I'm in 9th grade. So ऐसा भी नहीं बोल सकते कि मैंने सब कुछ देखा है फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में. No, I have lost many friends whom I thought I'll be like, भाई मेरी ज़िंदगी इन्हीं के साथ है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I have cried in friendships a lot. I have cried in friendships. I have been maybe not getting respected in my friendships and also, but I have a really good friend of mine right now who understands me, and हम दोनों 2 साल से फ्रेंड्स हैं. उनमें से बहुत हमारी 2 सीरियस फाइट्स हुई है जिनमें हम महीनों बात नहीं करते थे, बट वी आर अगेन नाउ best friends now. So I think I do believe in friendships when it is with the right person. Yeah. So the next question is, how are you so perfect? Firstly, thank you. I'm not perfect. You all have a myth, I think. You all think that if I create content about not being insecure, inspirational content, you all think that कि यार ये इसको तो सब आता है, ये कंटेंट अच्छा करती है, ये स्टडीज़ में अच्छी है, इसकी ड्राइंग अच्छी है, इसका सब अच्छा नहीं. I'm not good in studies. I'm not so well versed in my studies that I can call myself good. I lack in many things. I'm not perfect. No one is perfect. So I'll just give you that thing. Don't consider me as a perfect person. I'm a human. I have flaws which I'm accepting and trying to improve those. So the next question is, how to forget a mistake you have made in past but now you regret about. Don't blame yourself when you're making a mistake, I'll say. Don't forget about that mistake you made. Remember the lesson. And mistake, it's a really tricky question for me because it's a question that I can't answer really properly right now, in a stage of being in a stage of being 15-year-old. I have more to see in life, I think, so to answer this question. So that was my answer which I gave to you. Next question is, how do you deal with people who talk about your skin color? I also faced racism too many times. This right here is one of my favorite questions and I would really like to answer this. Just take an example of today. People keep commenting on my skin and I don't know how to face it. I mean, सब लोग मेरे स्किन पे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते हैं कि यार तेरी स्किन इतनी डार्क है, हाँ तू काली है, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. बट आई थिंक माई स्किन इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक आई लुक ग्रेट. माई स्किन इज़ गॉड गिफ्टेड. आई रियली लव माई स्किन. द वे आई लुक, आई रियली लव इट. एंड इनकी बातों से मुझे फ़र्क भी पड़ता था. लाइक रोज़ की बातें होती है. आई एम इन स्कूल एंड इन स्कूल यू नो how students are there, they don't care about your emotions and all. So I think I don't deal, I mean, if you love your skin, why does their comment affects you? You know your skin is good, you know. I mean, dusky skin is so beautiful. I'm not saying it just to tell it to you, but I personally think dusky skin is one of the most beautiful skins. एंड डील करने की बात आई तो फिर क्या ही, उनको इग्नोर करो. आई वुड जस्ट इग्नोर देम एंड लुक इन द मिरर विथ अफेक्शन टू मी. तुम बोलो यार कितने ब्लैंड आंसर्स दे रही है, बट दैट्स हाउ आई एम, दैट्स हाउ आई डील विद देम. इग्नोर देम एंड लुक इन द मिरर and be like, wow, my skin is so beautiful. That's how I do it, and not even fake. I'm not being fake, okay? कि यार मेरी स्किन बहुत अच्छी है. आई एम जेन्युइनली सेइंग दैट माई स्किन इज गुड, नॉट इवन फेकिंग इट. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु इंस्पायर यू टू मेक सेल्फ लव वीडियोज? आई थिंक there are many content creators and celebrities out there who inspire me, but the two of them who inspire me to make self-love videos are Rida Tharana and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the surname wrong, Rida Tharana and Priyanka Chopra, because they both of them have a dusky skin and I've been through, and I find them as like really pretty women, and they also have the dusky skin which is really similar to me and my insecurity. And both of their content is about women's and maybe sometimes self-love, and they are the ones who make me feel really, happy. So they both inspire me for that thing, and their speeches a lot. So the next question is, who inspired you to become an influencer? Who inspired me? No one inspired me. It was कि भाई एक दिन one day I thought कि यार बनाना है वीडियो, मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ करना है. I used to see it from childhood. My dream was to be something in famous field. I wanted to be famous from childhood. So I picked up the camera and started doing whatever I love. I used to record myself and upload it. That's what I used to do. And so no one inspired me to become an influencer, but influencer, this term is very much not even negative, but it's really not suiting me. Like, do I look like an influencer to you all? No, I'm not influencer. Means I mean I do influence people, but not an influencer, like the influencer. So yeah. And the next question is, who is your inspiration? I don't have any particular inspiration for me, but if we are talking about like a celeb or something, maybe it's Rida Tharana again. She inspires me because of she has the dark skin and the way she speaks and her outfits. Mostly her whole personality inspires me a lot. I really like her, so yeah, it's great to see her, like really great. And the next question is, what's your personality in real life? Oh. So my personality in real life is like I'm when I'm on Insta, we say Insta. I'm on Insta. That's a part of my personality. That's a part of my personality who is creative, who is innovative, who is, I can say, creative, innovative, and a person who speaks meaningful conversations. That's a part of me. But that's a part of my personality. But my personality, it's like morely like bubbly, shiny, and like sun, a type of rains, sunshine, and these things. I am really like that person. We can say, we say like Geet, like Jab We Met Geet, not completely like her, but a part that I talk a lot. I talk a lot. मुझे बहुत बातें करना पसंद है एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सा ब्ला 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 करती रहती हूँ. तो वैसी है मेरी पर्सनैलिटी इन रियल लाइफ. वी कैन से एकदम ऐसा चिल एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ी हूँ, एकदम ज़्यादा ही बातें करती हूँ. तो वैसी वाली पर्सनैलिटी है मेरी इन रियल लाइफ. And I'm really sorry. It's a something is there that I can't see all the questions right now because of some issues there. I am not able to see all your questions right now. I'm really sorry for those who haven't been answered, but I'm not able to answer. Like, I'm not able to see all the questions. I had many good questions, to be honest. But this is what it is right there, and it's just a mini Q&A. And let me know if you want more videos like this. So do let me know. So these were all the questions which I was able to answer, and which it was visible to me, only a little bit more visible to me right now. So I want to ask while ending this, I would like to ask you a question that have you enjoyed this, and what are your next suggestions for my YouTube long form videos? Do let me know what should I try next in my YouTube long form videos except vlogs, because vlogs मुझे करने में मेरी life इतनी interesting है नहीं, तो I won't do vlogs and all, but definitely I will try to do a vlog when I'll go somewhere. But except that, what else do you want me to cover in long form videos? So yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I really am grateful for every 8,001 of you. I'm really happy you are the ones who made me come to this platform and increase. Oh, I'm really overwhelmed. Oh God, I'm really overwhelmed right now. But you are the ones who helped me come here, and I'm really, really, really thankful for you guys. I really love you guys, and I would like to do the outro like this.